Hi, it's John here from John Cook Harmonicas. I want to just show you today how I lead reeds. Sometimes you see it on YouTube, but not too often, so I thought I'd just give an example of what I do with it. First of all is, why do we lead a reed? I've got a customer that's come in and asked for a Richt tuned Pro harp, and he wants it tuned to easy thirds, wants to play some reggae on it, and a lot of the manufacturers actually supply harps that are tuned to easy thirds, but this particular Pro harp he wants converted. It's an MS plate. Hohner don't make special reeds for an MS plate. You have to buy the whole reed plate, so I'm going to have to convert his reed plates to be detuned down to easy thirds. And what easy thirds is that the second and third reed, we need to, on the draw plate, we need to drop them a tone, and that's quite a lot to drop on an individual reed. Half a tone, a semitone, is okay if we need to scrape the reed at the rivet end to reduce the tone. But if you have to go a whole tone, that's quite a lot off, and would tend to make that area susceptible to breaking. So I tend to like to lead the tops rather than take material off the bottom. I haven't got some here to do, so I'm just going to show you on this old plate how I do it. I'm just going to take a reed off of here. Very simply, it's just an old reed. So I'm just going to pop this reed off just to show you what I do. I prefer to lead them when they're not on the reed plate. I can rivet them back on. I have a riveting tool here that I use to rivet the reeds back on, so I like to do this when they're on their own. And it's quite simply that I set up my soldering iron on here, and I add some solder to the tip of the soldering iron. It's a very fast process. I get some flux and I put some flux on the end of the reed. If you can see here, the standard reed that I just took off, put some flux on the end, and then I quickly wipe the reed over the solder, and like that. And then if you look there, you can see that there is a very nice blob of solder on there, and that's going to give me enough to tune it. And if I need to adjust it and to file off some of the lead, I can. But it gives me the strength at the bottom. Oh, there it goes in the bin. But that's how I do it, and that's how I lead the reeds. So thanks for watching John Cook Harmonicas. Thanks very much.